Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to hide your friend list on your Facebook account. Now in case if you don't want anybody else to see your friend list on Facebook, so this video will help you throughout the week. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now the most important thing is you must be connected to a good internet service. Now let us get started. So first of all, I need to log in. Now here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now this particular page is called as home page. So now on the same page, move towards your upper right corner, and right in the corner on top there is a 3 dash icon, so you need to tap on it. As soon as I tap on the 3 dash icon, now on the other page I will land inside menu. Now on this page, scroll down to the bottom, and right in the bottom there you have settings and privacy, so tap on it. So as you tap on settings and privacy, down there you have 4 different options, so you need to tap on the first option, which is settings. So once again you will be redirected into settings and privacy page. Now on this particular page you need to scroll down, and on the third step there is audience and visibility. Now under audience and visibility there are a list of different options, so from here you need to tap on the second one, which is how people find and contact you, so tap on it. So now on the other page there is how people find and contact you. Now under this particular topic, down there you can see a list of different options, so from here you need to tap on the second one, which is who can see your friend list, so just tap on it. So on the other page you will be directed into friend list page. Now down there you can see who can see your friend list, and under it there you can see there is a statement, so you need to go through the statement carefully. And down there you have 3 different options, that is public, friends and friends except. So right now you can see that my profile picture can be seen or will be visible to anybody, whether he or she is my friend on Facebook or not. And down there on the second step there is friends. Now friends means your profile picture will only be seen by those who are friends on your Facebook. And on the third step there is friends except. From here you can select only a particular group of people or particular people to see your profile picture. And in case if you don't want anybody else to see your friend list on Facebook except you, so you need to tap on see more, which is on the last step. And on the last step there you can see only me, so just tap on it. Now once this blue mark is active, which means that you will only be able to see your friend list on Facebook. And this is how you can hide your friend list on Facebook account on your device. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.